Hi everybody, welcome to a spooky episode of Gabriel Omassi. I don't know, this thing doesn't really have even a name. It's just me, I eat food and you like it, okay? So today I'm making something especially devilish, deviled eggs. So the reason why there's only one deviled egg is because I completely fucked them up. I absolutely fucked up these deviled eggs so bad. Here's all the rest of the egg whites and the rest of the shit inside. Oh jeez. Very embarrassing. So here's how you make them, but keep in mind I fucked them up. So first you start with the egg. Yeah, you gotta go get some eggs. And I went to the grocery store. I assumed I had no eggs. Turns out I had two cartons of eggs already. And then the next what you need is water. You fill up a thing, like a pan of water, and you put it on the stove. And you boil the water. The water gets really, really, really hot. And then you drop the eggs inside. I forgot that you're supposed to put the eggs in when the water was cold. And I put them in while the thing was boiling. And I let them boil for a minute. And one of them popped. And it looks disgusting. Kind of looks like a dick sticking out like of the side of one of the eggs. What you're supposed to do is put the eggs in when they're cold, let it hit boiling point, then you take it off the stove and you cover it, let it sit for like 15 minutes. Just let it sit there. So I let them sit there and they're really hot and so I try to put them under cold water so they can like be all like cold, whatever. I tried to open up these eggs. Dude, they just fell apart in my hands. It's disgusting. Oh god. And this is what is inside. Oh, God. Okay. It's good. There's an eggshell in it. Jesus. So, the way you... So what you're supposed to do is you take the full hard-boiled egg, cut it in half, and then cut out the yolk that's inside and put it in a bowl. I put in some mayonnaise, some kind of like white wine vinegar. I don't have any salt, so I used like an Italian spice thingy, like with a bunch of whatever. It's like I use it to put on like I rub it on my chicken before I cook it. Some paprika, mustard, pepper, and you got yourself the mix. And you take the egg yolks. You throw it in there and you mash it up. You just fucking mash that bitch fucking up. And then you're supposed to take the shit that's inside the bowl and put it on your egg. And that's why it's a deviled egg. And then see, there's a little devil horns. There's like little devil horns. And there you go. So the rest of it, I'm just going to eat it like kind of like a stew. So it's like a deviled egg stew. Arnie, you don't want... No, get the fuck away. You want nothing to do with this. This is disgusting. Here, come, taste this. Taste this. That's really cute. This is disgusting. This is the most disgusting meal. Oh, this is terrible. I think I'm gonna make a sandwich instead. I'm gonna barf. Oh. Alright, made myself a sandwich instead, and I couldn't be happier. I said I was gonna have a sandwich. I'm trying not to eat bread because I'm trying to lose weight. So, I mean, I don't want to get sick, so I'd rather eat something that'll make me sick like in 30 years rather than right away. Kind of bummed out because like I was doing really good on my diet. I got down to like 202. I'm down like fucking 7 pounds. I'm like, ooh, mama, I can see my abs poking through. Damn, man. Well, or what I think are abs, 202 pounds, down from fucking 210 basically. It's pretty good. And then it was Thanksgiving, Canadian Thanksgiving. I had like a bunch of food. I was full. I got fat. I was like, great. I didn't drink though. I didn't break my sober October. Then the next day, my friend's birthday, had a bunch of Turkish food. By the way, Turkish food? I don't know. No, what is it? It's not Turkish food. It was like Lebanese food, or I don't know, Arab food. It wasn't really that good. Like it was like a bunch of weird flavors. Like all it was like a bunch of like Like it was my friend's birthday, so we ordered like all these appetizers, and it was like mountains of salad. That like the most bitterest salad I've ever tasted in my life. The sour salad, and he's just shoving it into his mouth, thinking it was like, I don't know why he thought it was so good. I was like, it's pretty good. And then everything was like bitter. Like maybe I'm not cultured enough, you know. It was alright. It was good. God damn though. Happy birthday to that guy. Oh, this is tasty as fuck though. Maybe I'm deep down, I'm just white. I always thought that I was more than just a white guy, but turns out I'm no better than no fucking. I like mayonnaise on bread and a pickle. I fucking love pickles. And then, man, there was like this food. It was like raw beef, like ground beef, all ground up in like a big giant tongue of just beef. It was like huge, and it was all covered in oil. And then he's like, "This is how you eat it. You take a bit of the beef, you take a pizza, and then you eat that, and then you bite into an onion, a raw onion." I'm like, what the fuck type of, what are these? Like, what order of food is this? Why would you eat this in this order? Fucking hell, motherfucker. That was alright. But anyway, we ate so much food, man. And now I'm like, I went up to 204.6. How boring is this, by the way? Do you guys even care? Whatever. I'm sticking in there, though. God. We're right now of this filming. We're halfway, basically, with October. And I lost some weight, but I was hoping I was going to hit 190. This losing weight thing is hard, man. But surprisingly, the not drinking thing, easy. Fucking not anyone. This looks like a lizard. Or like some sort of crocodile. This feels like a whole other episode. I started off with eggs. If somebody actually watches this video trying to find a tutorial on how to make deviled eggs, they're gonna be so confused. They're gonna be like, what the fuck? Like, first of all, his deviled eggs look like shit. And he started eating a sandwich instead. And he just started complaining about how fat he was. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. Okay, bye. I miss you.